In today's video, I'm going to show you Muddy Mat Review 4.8 stars but falls apart when washed. Muddy Mat's official page shows it boasts a 4.9 8-star average from hundreds of users and advertises super absorbent microfibers that trap dirt and moisture on tile, wood, or marble floors, plus a non-slip backing and wash and reuse convenience. Many buyers praise how well it handles rain, pet paws, and everyday grime, and note that regular machine washing and even dryer use refresh the mat for reuse. But when you dig deeper into real-world feedback, the picture gets mixed. Although some customers report consistent performance and ease of cleaning, other reviewers and discussions highlight durability concerns after repeated washings with mentions of backing deterioration or the mat showing wear faster than expected. Some people online claim that after only a few washes, the mat's structure can weaken or edges fray, and that customer service doesn't always offer refunds or replacements for quality issues. Others note that drying can take a long time after heavy use, and that quality varies across sellers or imitations. Trustpilot feedback shows that many users genuinely like the mats and intend to buy more, but also that order issues and service frustrations appear more often than you'd expect for a product with such high star ratings, a hint that shopping through official channels and reading reviews carefully matters. In honest terms, Muddy Mat does seem to work well for everyday mud blocking and absorbency, and its high average ratings reflect this. But claims of long lasting durability after heavy washing are debated, so take the 5-star hype with cautious perspective. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.